Alright, man. So today we couldn't do a run because I just finished trading and it's currently 4:40 a.m. in the morning. So listen, I gotta do this video quickly. Let me go over this trade real quick. And if you follow me on IG, I put my trades on IG as well, man. So go follow me there. Before I even upload these videos, I put my trades on IG. So go follow me there. But let me go over this trade real quick, man, because I barely have any time. For some reason, the video that I recorded this morning, I didn't watch it, and there was music playing in the background. So it was weird, man. You couldn't even hear what I was saying. The only thing that they were able to hear was the music in the background. And I don't know where the music was coming from, bro. But you know what I'm saying. Now, as y'all can see, the time right there is 19:14, whatever time that is. I think that's like 7 at night right now. So I'm making this video after my whole day went through. As I'm editing my video right now, I was going to edit the video, and I realized that the explanation literally has. You can't hear me. So I'm gonna go over this trade real quick. And what I was looking in the morning when I woke up is the first thing that I always do is go to the 1 hour. And I go to the 1 hour because I want to see the market conditions in the 1 hour. And I see that in the 1 hour we are dropping. We're dropping like crazy. And I don't know why nothing is loading. But okay, there we go. So as you guys can see, we're going towards the bottom. We have a supply right here. That market came up to here and dropped down. So we're looking for sells. Market conditions in the 1 hours is bearish. So the momentum is towards the bottom. And we did take a buy right here. And the reason why I took a buy right here is because of this liquidity graph that this candle did right here. See this candle? Came underneath this low, took liquidity, and as soon as it broke above that candle, I got in. And I was aiming for a 1-to-1. That was my target, 1-to-1. And so we get in the break of the candle, and then the price was playing around right here. And once, because this candle right here broke above the 13 SMA, this blue line that goes along the price. This candle broke above that candle, and then we added more into the position. So this right here was a $300 risk with one contract. This whole thing right here on US 30. And then when this candle broke above the 13 SMA and closed above the 13 SMA, we added one more contract. So the loss was, was a little more. We were risking a little bit more now, but instead of my stop loss being all the way down here, I brought my stop loss right there. So I had the two stop losses were right there in case the trade went back down against me, you know what I'm saying? So, and yeah, man, it came underneath, and that's the reason why we took a loss today. Let me log into my Top Step X account so y'all can see the loss that we took. You know what I'm saying? This is the progress that we have. We really have been consolidating, man. It's crazy, but we're still in profit. Let me log in. All right, man. So as you can see, the loss for today was. It's not loading, bro, for some reason. Okay. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's because it's already 5. So after 5, it restarts again. So the first position was a $40 loss, the first position was a $95 loss, and the second position was a $40 loss, or the other way around. I'm not sure, bro, but since we entered twice, one of the losses was 40 and the other one was 95, which is about $140 loss that we took. But yeah, man, this is the reason why we lost. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I said, I'm making this video mad late right now, so I really don't have the energy. I'm really trying to go to sleep. I'm trying to finish editing this video right now because it's late and I have to wake up early tomorrow. So I'm gonna let the video continue, man. All right, man. So today's video is gonna be a little bit different. There's gonna be no content of the things that I did throughout the day today. There's gonna be no blog. There's gonna be no videos of the things that I did through at work. There's gonna be nothing of the things that I did throughout the day today, man. But we did go to work, and I did everything else that I do normally. But I'm just not gonna be recording. So today's video was very simple. It was the introduction, it was the explanation of the trade that we took, and now I'm finishing the video right now with a topic that I wanted to talk about, and the topic is risk management, bro. I want to talk about how important risk management is because, as you know, we have been losing lately. And let me log into my what you would call it, my journal app where I put my trades, because you guys will see that this month has been very garbage. This month we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses. We took 7 losses and 2 wins. You know what I'm saying? We took 7 losses and 2 wins, and for some reason my account is not blown. I'm still in profits in my challenge account. Well, the only thing that I'm in drawdown right now is my live account. My live account is in drawdown, but my challenge account is in profits. But what I'm trying to get to right now is those 2 wins that we had literally almost gave me a break-even month with the 7 losses that we had. You know how crazy that is? And the reason why we're able to do that is because of risk management and discipline, bro. When it comes to trading, having a risk management, a lot of people, I want to talk about my trades, I want to talk about my strategy, because there's a lot of people that tell me, bro, aim for more than a 1-to-1, aim for more than a 1-to-1. You shouldn't be doing 1-to-1s. Listen, the reason why I do 1-to-1s is because of the simple reason that there is no volume I trade futures in London. I trade gold and Nasdaq. Sometimes I trade US 30. But what I want to get to is there isn't as much volume in the market compared to how much volume there is in the York session. So in the York session, the trades are going to go for multiple RRs, but when it comes to London doesn't have as much volume, bro. So that's the reason why I aim for 1-to-1s. But I also want to talk about this that a lot of people don't seem to realize, is that I cut my losses. You know what I'm saying? I cut my losses all the time. Well, sometimes I can't really cut the losses, but you know what I'm saying? But majority of the times I'm cutting my losses every single time. So let me show you guys. So the trade that we took today, well, it's not here yet. I have to put it still, but that was a 140. So we took 8 losses and 2 wins, bro. But I want to say, I was risking $300 originally, but because I cut the loss, it was a $140 loss. And look how much we win when we do win, 427. You know what I'm saying? Even though, what I'm trying to get to is my strategy is aim for 1-to-1s. I'm aiming for 1-to-1s. But when the trade is looking good and it's showing my momentum, you know what I'm saying, I let it run for a little bit more. But when it comes to my losses, I rarely ever let it go all the way down to my stop loss. You know what I'm saying? Like today, we cut way more than half of the risk that we had. It was a $300 risk, and we cut it at $140. You know what I'm saying? I have another one right here that it was a $300 risk, and we cut it at 172. Another one at 153. So, well, and I did have one right here that's 287. What I'm trying to get to is, even though I'm risking $300, we never lose $300 because I'm always cutting my losses. You know what I'm saying? But my targets of 1-to-1s are consistent. If my trade is going to win, 1-to-1s are going to be a hit 100%, if not more. I don't take no less than a 1-to-1. But when it comes to the losses, I'm cutting my losses, bro. And that's the reason why I can be profitable with this strategy, especially in London session. But you gotta understand that I'm also being disciplined, that I'm only taking 1 single trade a day. And one thing that I'm gonna be working on in 2025 is picking the right trades, because I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, there was a lot of trades that I took this month that I was not satisfied with, that because I got impatient. Which one is it? Let me search it up. Impatient
or impatient, because I don't feel right saying it, man. Impatient. Okay, so impatient. That's the right word, because I got impatient. You know what I'm saying? And that's the reason that we have a lot of losses. There's a lot of losses that we took that were not necessary. There was a lot of losses that we took when it should have been a non-trading day. You know what I'm saying? So we still got a lot of work to do. The strategy, we got the discipline down. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to following my taking one single trade a day, you know what I'm saying? We got it over with. We're cutting our losses. Risk management is on point. All I got to focus on right now is picking the right trades and to be patient to pick the right trades, because a lot of times I'm picking trades that don't really make sense. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, 2025 was, even though we are in a good position when it comes to the discipline that we have and risk management, we are in a good position, but there is so much more potential, bro, if we just be patient to pick the right trades, man. And that's just what I wanted. That is what I wanted to clear today, because a lot of people don't like that I'm going for one-to-ones, but they don't realize that I'm cutting my losses, and my one-to-ones are getting hit all the time if it goes in profit, if not more. You know what I'm saying? All the wins that I have, none of the wins that I took this month were $300. It was, one was 507, the other one was 427. So majority of the time I will be closing more than a one-to-one. But one-to-one is my first target, you know what I'm saying? Depending how the trade is looking, we might let it run a little bit more. But my losses will always be will be getting cut. I just want to make that clear, man. But yeah, man, I'm done talking. And as you know, we are uploading every single day. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, man. Tomorrow's gonna be a very busy day for me, and there's a lot of things that are activities and stuff that are coming into my life. So, and I will be taking you guys with me through the whole thing. We got 10 more days of this month. Do we got 10 more days? We got around 10 more days in this month until the new year. So I'm really trying to look in. Even though we're not gonna be trading, we're gonna be locked in, man, when it comes to the other areas of our life as well, man. So yeah, man, without further ado, y'all stay safe, y'all take care of yourself, y'all stay productive, y'all stay disciplined in the markets, and I hope you guys have very great plans for 2025, and I hope you guys actually follow your plans for 2025 as well. But yeah, man, without further ado, I'm done talking. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and without further ado, this video is now over.